I am back, I am back, I am back, I am back. Hello, welcome to another episode of Anisha Talks. And yes, finally I am back. Mwah, 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 mwah. I was missing you all so much and I'm so happy that I could finally make a video today. By the way, today I have some shoulder showing happening here. Did you notice? Jhataka mataka. So today we're going to talk about types of people in a restaurant. Yes, the other day I went to dinner and I had some funny observations and interesting things that happened to me. So I just wanted to share with you guys and to see if I'm just the only crazy person here who meets people like this or if this actually happens with anyone. Number one, the seat warmers. So you're very hungry and you want to go to your favorite restaurant to tame your hungry tummy, and you end up going there and you see a long queue waiting outside of the restaurant to get a table. And when you go up to the manager to ask how long it will take to get a table, he says, reservation hai, nahi to 1 ghanta to jayega. Hi Daya, I came for dinner, not for lunch on the next day. And you know why it takes an hour to get a table at a restaurant? Because when you look around in the restaurant, you'll see these so-called seat warmers hanging there on the tables, having finished their dinner and just chit-chatting with each other as if they're waiting for the final scene in a virus movie to happen where the hero gets united with his heroine. We all know that happens every time in a Bollywood movie. So why don't you get up from your seat, go home and watch the rest on YouTube. And finally, when you even get your table, the waiter doesn't show up forever, and even if he does, he brings your food lukewarm on the table, but you don't care, you just want to eat because you're hungry and you start eating, and that is when you meet types of people. Number two, the nosy neighbors. There are always some type of table neighbors, not neighbors. There are always some type of table neighbors who think that the other table's conversations or food are more interesting than theirs. Looking London, talking Tokyo. They are so nosy because maybe their company is so boring, or maybe they're nosy because they want to get cozy with you. Creepy. Hi Daya. So there was this one guy who listened to everything I was telling my friend, and when I told my friend,
I'm actually not sure the director of Devar is.
the creepy guy on the other table said,
Yash Chopra.
and I started freaking out. And every time I take a bite, that creepy guy comes closer to the table. No joke. And then when I take another bite, that creepy guy has replaced my friend at the table. Okay, I just made up this situation, but hey, that could happen. And if that wasn't even enough, during the course of your meal, you suddenly get at your table. Number three, a wild child. These wild children belong to parents who do not control their kids whatsoever. These wild children go into any direction. It's like Pac-Man who goes into any direction, and if you don't guide him properly, he'll be killed by the ghost eventually. And that ghost is me. This wild child turns up at my table, and me being a good person, I start playing with it and encouraging it, and then suddenly this little brat turns evil and takes my fries and potato wedges from my plate. He squishes it, he throws it on the floor, and then on top of that, he jumps on it. And I'm like, hi bedardi. And people at surrounding tables start shouting at me, telling me that I should keep my child under control. Hi Daya. I'm sorry, but this evil wicked child is not mine. And when I try to get the attention of his real parents, they shamelessly ignore me. If you can't control your wild child, put it on a leash. And then there are those. Number four, the candlelight texters. These type of people will have dinner together, but will be talking to somebody else in the virtual world, which is their phone. And I'm sitting there and judging you. Although sometimes I'm on my phone as well. This is a classic case of your friend upselling you on a blind date. But they said he or she is awesome, you have to meet her. But sadly that is not the case, and now they're at a table not knowing what to do with each other. Chicken tandoor has been ordered, the chicken has already died, so now someone has to honor it by eating it. I would. So with one hand they eat the chicken, and with the other hand they have their phone. Another DM message. Also, this is the reason why there are televisions in the restaurant. Mind you, with no sound. So at the end, these type of people will leave dinner without having spoken a word to each other. Chupake, I don't know the rest of the lyrics. So talking about people who don't like talking, let's talk about people who love chewing. Number 5, the Chewbacca. These people chew so loud that you can hear them chewing in Hyderabad. Hi Daya! Especially when they chew raw onions. Ooh, I get goosebumps just by saying it. Especially when they do it with an open mouth. It's like the most annoying sound ever. In these moments, I wish those soundless TVs running in the background would have some sound to cover the chewing sound. And the worst part is when they start speaking while they are chewing, then the food which is in their mouth lands onto the table, and I start feeling like I'm in a horror movie where that piece of chewed food becomes alive and wants to attack me, and I gotta run. So this was it, guys. These are my types of people you meet in a restaurant, and I'm sure I've missed out many more. So do let me know in the comment section below which other ones you have come across. And since I've been talking about so much food, I am hungry now, but I'm gonna just order in food instead. Bye-bye! Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like this video. And I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you want to become my friend, then you better subscribe to my channel by clicking down here, because अगर तुम सब करोगे सब ठीक हो जाएगा.